guys, the Final One here, and this is another chainsaw talk video. This is the Poulan Woodshark 1950 LE chainsaw. This has the starting instructions and everything. Still, this is a 33cc chainsaw. Very good saw. Has no anti-vibration system on it, so it is going to rattle your arms off. It supports a 14-inch bar, low kickback guide bar. It's got an Oregon chain. This is looks like a skip sequence chain, so it cuts very good. Choke here on the right. It's got a lock feature. Whenever you pull the trigger, choke comes in. It's got a two-stage choke system, so you can push it in for fast idle and then push it all the way in for your thing. Plastic switch, on and off switch. Pretty simple. Even shows you how to do it. This did have a throttle lock system, but I got it used. The guy only used it a couple of times, and it came with a carrying case. I'll show you that in a little bit. Has a presence lever. Can't throttle up without this being pressed in. Throttle lock does work, but it's broken off, it looks like. This looks just like the Poulan 2150. They're nice little saws for homeowners, just like cutting firewood, anything. Chain brake. Working chain brake. It works good. Loosen up the two bar nuts, and your tensioner, your chain tensioner is right there. And then you have this. You can pull this cover off, and you can get to the air filter with T25 Torx screws. Let me go ahead and open it up here so you can see the air filter. Has a Walbro carburetor on it. The carburetor kit is a D10 watt, is what you have to repair this. This cover should pop right off. The port muffler is in the back of the muffler. Your niche coil down there. Very high compression for a Poulan chainsaw. Primer bulb, prime about 3 times. My stock setting for my carburetor is right here. I have it wrote down, it's not very good handwriting. But the H screw is out 4 times and the L screw is out 4.5 times. That's my setting. It will smoke when it starts, which is a good thing. I had to install all new fuel lines in this thing. It has splined end screws, so you have to get carburetor adjustment tool for that. Air filter, just like the Poulan 2150. Now I'm going to show you guys this carrying case. Very nice, well-built case. I have a couple of these cases. Very nice. Not very clean, but you can. What's cool about this case is you can carry everything with you. You can set your little tool thing in here and it'll hold it. You can stick a quart of bar oil right here and it'll hold it, and a little 2-cycle oil bottle like this, or like this. Well, this one's a little big, but the 1 gallon, and then this will just slide right up and in here and fits right in there. There you guys go. There was the Poulan 1950 LE Woodshark. If you have any questions about it, just message me. on YouTube, go to my Facebook page, Chainsaw Guide, or Dylan591, or Chainsaw Freak group on Facebook. Check them out, like the page, and this is a nice saw. Recommend it. Alright guys, Dylan591, sign out, peace, hope you like it.